Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about object tracking in Cinema 4D. I use this technique when I can't track the objects in After Effects. It takes a bit longer but it's totally worth it. Okay, let's begin. Open Cinema 4D and select Motion Tracker in under Motion Tracker menu. Wasn't hard. Now import your video. Click here and select the video. Check your project's settings and make sure they match your video. I've got Full HD and 24 FPS here. You can make your video brighter or darker now, and you can also change the scale, but I don't usually do that. Okay, click at the 2D tracking and select manual tracking. Now we're gonna do tracking. Find a proper right point in your video, right click, and select create user track here. We just got our first tracking point. We're gonna change its size and position. It's really powerful feature because you don't need to we started the tracking process. Done. But it's not the end yet. It's just getting started. Let's move a few frames forward. I use F and G keys. Our tracker turned red at some point, and now we must place it where it has to be, and the tracking process will start automatically. Okay, few frames forward, we got a red square here, so we're just gonna move it, and now we're gonna do that till the end of the video. That's boring part, but we have to do that to get some nice graphics after that. Okay, we're done with the first track. Now do another one. Click manual track and do the same thing we just did. I'll speed it up. And done. I've got 7 points. Now we need to add object tracker. Select all your points. Go to motion tracker and choose object tracker. Click assign selected. Now our points move to object tracker. Now go to reconstruction and click run 3D solver for object. This will start the reconstruction process of our 3D object and its position in space. And it failed. Fuck. That's because we didn't have enough points for reconstruction. Delete our object tracker and go back to motion tracker. Add another tracker point, then make a tracking. And now repeat the whole thing we just did. Select all points in motion tracker. Add object tracker. Click assign selected. Go to reconstruction. And click run 3D solver for object. Ta-da! We did it. Let's move on. We've got a few simple steps to do and we're done. Right click on object tracker. Motion tracker tags. Vector constraint. This tag defines the distance between our points. Select known in length. And now we can see a few green tracks here. These are the best ones, so it's better to use them. I also changed exposure of my original video. It will look more cool when our graphics will be brighter. I often use this. Just make a random object. Now select these 2 points and targets. Click and select the first point. Click the second target. And select the second point. Great. Now let's add a null object. And place it on object tracker. Right click. Character tags. Constraint. Now click PSR. I also shift all icons on the timeline. It's like in After Effects, when you parent the layer to another layer with holding Shift key. Done. Now we need to parent the null object to object in the video, and you can parent a 3D object like that, or export an animation in After Effects. Just right click on your null object, go to Cinema 4D tags, select also, copy this expression that creates a solid in After Effects, after our export. Now, go to Settings, and under Frame Range, select all frames. Now go to Save, choose the destination folder. And in Compositing Project file click Save, and include 3D data, and save. Now we got file. To open it we have to copy a plugin from Cinema 4D. Go to the Maxon folder in your computer and copy these two plugins. Paste them in Adobe After Effects plugins folder. Now, go back to After Effects and open File. We got a composition. Open it and place our video here. Perfect. Now we can add any graphics here. See you.